So I like to introduce you my latest gadget. It's an Automo gas saver. It's type L. So the main function of this thing is to save petrol and to reduce the engine wear and tear. So according to the data sheet, the lubricant will be saved as well. Power of the engine will be increased, plug life will be prolonged, engine will be started easier, contact points of the distributor will not suffer from oxidation, and of course the Model L, which I have installed, is this one. It will have an attractive appearance because of those blinky lights. So this gas saver is attached to the glass by a suction cup, which is made out of rubber and which is still very pliable. The green wire is connected to the body of the car, the negative let's say, and the gray cable is connected to the primary connection of the ignition coil, which I will show you now. So the gray cable is coming from the dash, going through here, all the way around to here, and it's connected to this connection on the ignition coil, which is the negative terminal, you see here. So now the engine is running, you can see the lights blinking. It looks like those lights are blinking not so fast, but that's due to the frame speed of this camera. In real life they are just blinking all the time. But yeah. So in accordance with the engine speed, the lights will blink at a different frequency. The more RPMs the engine turns, the less bright the lights will be. That's due to the ignition coil taking more power and the gas saver gets less.